Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to create custom Genmoji on iPad Air 2026. So first, open, for example, Safari or somewhere when you can open the keyboard. Go into emojis, and here we have Genmoji. Open it and describe a Genmoji or add the suggestions from the list. So, for example, smiling dog. Okay. And now it's making a emoji. And here we have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.